How to set limit order on Uniswap. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can set limit order on Uniswap. The first step is to open up any web browser and head over to app.uniswap.org. Now, the second step is to select limits. For this, you want to click on the Limits tab or the Advanced Swap tab. Once you're there, choose Tokens. Select the tokens you want to swap. In the From field, choose the token you want to spend. In the To field, select the token you want to receive. Now for the fourth step, enter price. For a buy order, enter the desired price you're willing to pay for the To token. For a sell order, enter the price at which you're willing to sell your From token. Leaving this blank implies that you'll accept the current market price when your order is filled. For the fifth step, set amount. Enter the amount of the From token you want to swap or the amount of the To token you want to receive depending on your order type, buy or sell. Now for the next step, set expiry. This step is optional. You can set an expiration time for your limit order. This determines how long your order will remain active on the Uniswap exchange before it automatically cancels. Now for the seventh step, review and approve. Carefully review the order details. Once you're satisfied, click on the review button. You might be prompted to confirm the transaction details again in the MetaMask wallet. Now for the final step, you want to confirm the swap. If everything looks correct, click on the swap button or similar confirmation option within your MetaMask wallet to sign the transaction and submit your limit order. Then your transaction processing will take place. And this is how you can set limit order on Uniswap. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.